Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to fix end-to-end encryption in Messenger. By the way, if you have upgraded your Messenger, then this end-to-end encryption will be automatically added to your Messenger, whether you like it or not. So by guaranteeing that only you can read your messages, end-to-end encryption helps you to safeguard your privacy. So this is what it looks like. Now, if you can't see this on your Messenger, the first thing you should do is to exit and then go to your Play Store if you're using Android or App Store if you're using iPhone. And then here you have to look for Messenger. Now you have to make sure that your Messenger is up to date. So if you see update button here, you have to tap that one, wait as it is updating, and open your Messenger again. Another thing, once you have updated that, then you can go to these three lines at the top left corner, go to settings, and then after you tap settings, and then you have to scroll down and then look for privacy and safety. Okay. So once you tap this privacy and safety, scroll down till you see this end-to-end encrypted chats. Tap this one, go to security alerts, view and manage alerts for this. You can click this reset pin to reset your feed. So whenever you log into your messenger, they will ask this speed. So all you have to do is to type that one. Then the previous messages and all messages will be loaded. Okay. So it's only you who can open that. That's the advantage of turning on or using this end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So you have to confirm your PIN and then after that, click submit. Now that's it. So if you have updated your messenger and then the moment you open your messenger using your other device or other phone or your laptop, then they will ask for the PIN. And all you have to do is to enter that one and then that's it. Now, another thing is that you can uninstall your messenger and install it again. And after doing that, once you have upgraded or once your messenger is up to date, then there's a huge possibility that you can see it is end-to-end encryption or it will fix end-to-end encryption in Messenger. So thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.